Hi, hello everyone. This is Lakshmi Ganpati. So today I'm gonna describe about Armstrong number, how to write a code in Java programming. So Armstrong number. First of all, we need to understand what is Armstrong number. So Armstrong number is, for example, if you take 153. Okay. So how many digits are there in 153? Three digits. So if you take each individual digit and power 3, like the number of digits present in the number. If you take that is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, because three numbers are there, so we need to take the power as 3. Okay, 1 cube plus 5 cube and 3 cube. So it will it give the same number if you sum these things or not? We need to check. Okay, so 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube is 153. So 153 is a Armstrong number. Like that, we have 370. Okay, 3 in 370 also there are three numbers. So we need to take the power as 3. So 3 cube, 7 cube and 0 cube. So we need to sum them. So we'll get 370. So 370 is also Armstrong number. Like that, just for a given number, whether it is Armstrong number or not, we have to find out. Okay, it's a Java programming. The logic is this one. I have taken this. So Armstrong number, like first of all, Armstrong number can be found by using percentile and division symbols. Like percentile, why we use percentile? We'll get a reminder. Okay, and division means we'll get division. So if you get any double value or float value, if you assign it to integer, it will take the number before digit. So this can be done by taking the help of percentile symbol and division help. Okay, so first of all, I have taken a number, integer a is equal to 370, integer b is equal to 0. Okay, so for this we need to take a do while loop. Okay, in the while condition is b is greater than 0. What is b here? B is 0 initially we have taken out of the loop. That means at the top of that do while loop. So I have taken two variables, a is equal to 370. 370 is the given number, and b is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0, and after that I have taken a list. I have initialized with integer objects. So list less than symbol, integer greater than, list variable I have taken list, which is in small letters, is equal to new array list, and integer we have given in brackets of this list one. A list is an interface, as you know. Array list is a class. So we have taken an integer object to be stored in the list. Okay, so that's why I have taken integer there. So b is equal to a. B actually we have given a is equal to 370. So b is equal to a in the sense we are assigning b with 370 first of all. Okay. After that I have taken a variable integer rm. Rm represents reminder, for example. Okay. So in the do while loop, what I have taken first of all, I have found out the reminder. I want to find out the reminder. Okay, by dividing the given number by 10. Okay, with 10. Okay, rm is equal to b percentile 10. System out of printer and reminder I am printing there for our purpose. B is equal to b slash 10. B slash means b division operator, that one. So b slash 10 is equal to, we will get something, and list dot add rm, and we are finding each and every digit, and we are storing it in a list. Okay, so that is for the do while loop. After getting the list items, we need to find out the form. I mean we need to find out the number by having math package provided in the Java. So that is the expression is Armstrong number plus math power list dot get I comma sz. Sz is the size. So in the loop, it depends upon the number of digits in the given number. So we need to iterate those many times. For that we have taken for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than SC, and I plus plus. Armstrong is equal to Armstrong plus math power list dot get I size. So if we can go through this, yeah. Before that we need to find out. The logic, like how to implement that one. So I have taken a variable A first of all initially, and I have taken a B variable, and I have taken a reminder, I have taken a list. Okay, so when you go down, like after the program, there is commenting, the logic is commented here. So what is that? Logic for making list of elements which are individual digits in the number using do while loop. Okay, actually here there are three things. First of all, we need to find out the individual numbers, and that will be stored in the list. After that, we need to take a for loop by iterating those items and by applying the formula for finding out the Armstrong number. So we have taken another for loop. After for loop, we'll get the number. I mean, if you use the Armstrong number formula, we'll get the number. So that resulting number has to be compared with the number given. I mean, in our case it is 370. So that 370 and the resulting number has to be compared by using if condition. So if they are equal, then we can say that the given number is Armstrong number. Otherwise we can say that it is not Armstrong number. Okay, that is the agenda of this program. Okay, so first of all I want to explain what is the logic behind in a do while loop for finding the list of items, I mean individual items. Individual items in individual digits, I can say, not items, digits. Okay, see, initially when you go through the program, A is a variable, B is a variable, remainder RM is a variable, and list is a variable. Okay, initially what I have taken, A is equal to 370 I have taken. So here I have taken 370 here. After that, what is the statement? B is equal to 0. So this is 0. And after that, I have taken a list. Okay, I have taken a list which stores integer objects. Okay, so list is in a interface and array list is a class. So I have taken a variable. So I have taken array list as a concrete class which is assigned to list interface. Okay, so no need to bother about them. So just we have taken a list and initialized. That's it. Okay. So B is equal to A I have given. What is B here? 0 previously. So that is assigned with A. What is the 370? So B is equal to A means B is 370 or A is 370 right now. Okay. After that, RM is equal to remainder. RM means remainder. Remainder is equal to B percentile 10. What is B here? 370, which is already assigned by A, right? So in the previous line. Okay. So B is percentile 10. That means B percentile 10. What is RM? So B percentile 10 will get 0 because we need to find out the remainder. So if you divide 370 by 10, we will get the remainder as 0. That is what I supposed to tell. Which 0 is 0. Next, B is equal to B by 10. B is equal to B by 10. What is B here? Still 370. Sorry, 370. 370 by 10 means how much? 317 by 10. How much? 37. Why? Because 37, it should take 37.0. Okay, because we are assigning this 370 by 10 to integer variable. So integer variable will only take integer values. Okay, so whatever the digits after dot, I mean point, it will ignore. So the integer variable is 37 now. Okay, list add RM. So list RM. What is RM? We get 0. So we are adding 0 into as an object in list. Okay. After that, I am comparing B is greater than 0. What is B here? 370 is there still. Okay. 370. Sorry, B is 37. Sorry, B is 37. 37 is greater than 0. Yes. So again, the loop will be continued. So RM is equal to B percentile 10. What is B here? 37. 37 by 10, how much? 37 percentile 10. So the remainder is 7. And B is equal to B by 10. What is B here? 37. 37 by 10 means how much? 3.0. Sorry, 3.70. Sorry, 3.7. So because it is assigned to integer variable, it will take 3. Okay, 0.7 will be ignored. So list dot add rm. Rm we got is 7. So in the list 7 will be stored. Next, B is greater than 0. Again it performs the condition. B is greater than 0. What is B here? We got B is 3. 3 is greater than 0. Yes, 3 is greater than 0. So again do while loop will be performed. So Rm is equal to B percentile 10. What is B here? 3. 3 percentile 10 is equal to 3. And B is equal to B by 10. What is B here? What is 3? 3 by 10 is equal to 0. So we are finding Rm again here. In the list add Rm. What is list here? What is Rm here? 3 remainder. So 3 will be stored in the list. So after that, while B is greater than 0. What is B here? 0 we got already. So 0 is greater than 0. No, it fails the condition. So it will come out of the do while loop, and I am initializing Armstrong number as double is equal to 0. Integer SZ is equal to list dot size. Okay, so first of all we need to find out the individual digits as well as how many numbers are there also we need to find out. So in the list, what is the size? Size equal to something SZ will get. So in our case 370 is size is 3 because 370 3 digits are there, so the size is 3. So in the for loop what we are finding, Armstrong number we have taken it as 0 initially, and integer I is equal to 0, I is less than SZ, I plus plus. So whatever the size, that is the size is 3, so we need to iterate 3 times. Okay, so for that I have taken for loop. So Armstrong number is equal to Armstrong number plus math power list dot get I. Okay, actually this math dot power is the default default one. We'll get it in the Java program. Okay, default import. We need not import anything for math power. It will be computed automatically. Okay, we can add it also. Import statement we can also add it. No problem. But we can ignore it. Okay. So math power. What is this get I? What is get I? First of all, 0 will be stored. So 0 to the power of math power. That time is 0. 0 size is 3. 0 comma size 3. Okay. 0 comma size 3 in the sense 0 to the power of 3. 0 to the power of 0. 0 to the power of 3. That means 0. Armstrong plus 0, 0. So when you go down a little bit, for loop also I have given here. I is equal to 0 initially. Armstrong number is 0 initially we have taken here. Armstrong number and I is 0. And the size is 3, we already know that. Okay, we have found it here, listed size. So size is 3. So first of all, in the for loop, I is equal to 0. So it comes inside. So it has to compute Armstrong number, okay, by powering the digit. Okay, 0 plus 0 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and in the next loop I is equal to 2. So 2 is less than 3. Yes, so it comes inside. So Armstrong number previously it is 0. 0 plus math power 7 to the power of 3. So it will compute. That is 343. So again I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense I is now 2. 2 is less than size. Yes. So it will come inside. Again Armstrong number we already got 343. 343 plus math power list get I. That means list get I means just 3. What is that one? 370. So we already found 073. So 3 cube. Okay. So here Armstrong number plus 3 cube it will find out. So 3 cube means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 343 it count Armstrong number. After that I will be I plus plus. So I plus plus in the sense I is 3 now. Sorry. Yeah, I is 3 now. 3 is less than 3. No, it fails. So it will come outside and A is equal to Armstrong number. So the initial number A is we have taken as 370. And now the computation of the Armstrong number by calculating individual ways with the powers will get Armstrong number. So we'll have to compare initial value with the resulting value now Armstrong. So I am finding A is equal to Armstrong. If it is good, then it will print given number is Armstrong, because in our case 370 is 370. So it will give given number is Armstrong number, else it will give given number is not Armstrong. So in our case 3070 is the Armstrong number, and this is the logic for that. Okay, thank you.